Hey guys, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. But before we get started, I want to thank everyone for joining my giveaway. I did have 3 winners. They were announced on my Instagram the day that it ended. And I did personally tag and DM each one of them. So we do have communication. If you want to see who won, just go on my Instagram, go to my highlights, and click 19K giveaway. And at the end, I've announced the winners. But without further ado, let's get into it. Hey guys, first is eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this white concealer as my eyeshadow primer. And now I'm going to take BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette and go in with this bright lime green shade and pack that above my crease. And I'm going to mix that green with this teal shade and place that right under where I put the first color. And I'm going to take BH Cosmetics 122nd Edition palette, mix these 2 dark blue shades, and put that in my outer corner into my crease. And now I'm going to use concealer to carve out my crease. Going back into the Modern Mattes palette, I'm taking this white shade and packing that all over my lid. Now I'm just going to do the other eye off camera. Moving on to the face, I'm using this all matte primer. Foundation is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 356. concealer, I'm using Maybelline's Better Than Skin. To set my concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in 355. To contour and kind of bronze my face, I'm using this e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Duo in the shades Turks and Caicos. And then for blush, I'm using BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette. And now I'm going into their Foil Eyes palette. I'm going to take the bright white and pop that right in my inner corner. To highlight, I just used the champagne shade from the same palette. For my lips, I lined and filled them in with a dark brown lip pencil and then went over it with a Maybelline lipstick. For some reason, my camera stopped recording. All I did was put this lipstick on top of it, and then put on mascara. That's all you missed. Awesome. Awesome. And now it's time for lashes. I always do my lashes off camera because I'm trash. It literally takes me so long and no one wants to see that. Going back into the Modern Mattes palette, I'm just going to take the green shade and the teal shade and dust that along my bottom lash line. Alright you guys, that is it for this week's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that little bell to be notified every time I post. But this is the finished look, and if you liked it or you create this look or any of my past looks, don't forget to tag me in them. All of my social medias will be linked down below.